Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my swap reveal for Lisa Goss, which is the Happy Crafter. She usually has a monthly swap, and for this month, for September, the swap was called No Chipboard Folio. So she gave the dimensions and everything, and I just followed her little tutorial that she had on her channel. And let me make sure I got the right size. 7.5 by 10 is the size of the No Chipboard Folio. So I just went through some of my paper pad, the packs, the same sheets that you get from Tuesday morning, like 25 in a pack or whatever it is. This is Simple Stories, the Reset Girl. So I just borrowed from these ones. And these are all double-sided. And so I just use these in my portfolio. You've seen these papers, I'm sure. They were at Tuesday morning, I guess about a year ago or something. Anyway, so that was what I used for the paper. I just went through some of those. And then I use this Fisker's Hello Punch, this Doris die cut stencil, and I use this what's her name, Leah Griffith by Fisker's, and I actually was gifted this by my girl Lady Cree. Hi Lady Cree, here on the YT. And this punch and this punch and this Studio G stamp and die set, and I think that's it. But the gist of it was we had to make portfolios. So I made 3 portfolios the same, and I did a lot of fussy cutting. The only difference is like the color of tassel I put on the side, and these tassels came from BB Craft. I did a design team for them for some of the items they sent me, and so that was one of the things they sent me, as well as this bling that's on the front. Both of those came from BB Craft. So anyway, I will just show you one because they're all going to be sent out the same. And so this is basically what we do. We had 2 categories. You could be in clean and simple, or you could be in shabby and chic. Shabby, I'm sorry. I chose clean and simple, even though I like both, and you had to have at least 4 layers on the front. And so I just used some gold twine, fussy cut out this lady here. I punched out the word hello, and you probably can't see it, but her purse, her bracelet, her earring, and her purse, her bracelet, earring, and the word hello all have, I used my Spectrum Noir glitter pen on top of it, so I'm not sure if you can see it, a little bit of that sheen right there, but it's on those elements as well. Cut a doily in half. I think it was by Recollections. Fussy cut out that ticket, and fussy cut out this library card as well. And this punch is actually a Marby. No, it's a Paper Studio punch, and I just put it back, sorry. Flower punch. It has like 6 punches, 6 flowers on that one punch when you punch it out. So that is my front cover, and so it has at least 4 elements on it. Like I said, I just put this on the spine, and then on the inside, what we had to do was make a pocket. We had to make our own original pocket, so I fussy cut this lady out and that ticket, and I just made a square shaped pocket. And inside the pocket, we had to have at least 3 matted cards or whatever, so that you can journal on the back or put pictures on the back. And these are 3x4s, and so this is actually 3.25 by 4.25 with the mat. But this is like a boss. You can't buy happiness, but you can buy planners, which is pretty much the same thing. And this is your precious and loved. So they all got different ones, I think, from the paper pad. Like I said, I cut her out, and then over here I cut this, fussy cut that out, that ticket out. This came from the border strip, the branding strip, and it says Life is Good, and this is magnetized here. And then we had to have at least 7 flips for the waterfall. The back side is craft. I debated on whether or not I want to put anything on the back side, but I left it plain. I did put some strips in between, and so that is my waterfall. And then we could give them anything that we want to give them, like a little inexpensive, like dollar store gift. And what I did was, with the little dies, I just made some embellishments. I cut out, and these are, I'm just putting them on this paper so you can see them, but they're not glued down. But these are the word dies. It says love, hello, LOL, and thank you. And so these will go inside of the little pack, as well as the negative letters, so that they would have that in case they want to use the letters on something else. And then also I just made some, first I cut out the typewriters, and I used that to make the little envelopes and put the little craft paper inside, and I just embellished it with that swirl and that flower, and then that will make the whole entire embellishment. And so then I just wrapped it up, and that is the ticket and the what do you call it, the banner for number 1. So, and then I'm gonna put that in here, and then that will be everything that they will get, and I will be shipping that off. And the video may be up late because my computer's crashed, but that is what I made for them. So check out Lisa's channel. I have her link below and the link below for all the other ladies as well. And check them out. And I was in group number 5. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.